Hi, this is Sara Banta with Accelerated Health Products, and I want to tell you about the Accelerated Cellular Detox Powder. So this powder is a combination of 6 ingredients. It truly is the most amazing powder that can be part of any detox protocol that you're doing, whether it's the keto detox protocol, the gentle detox protocol, or any other one that you're getting from someone else. This takes all of the toxins in your system and soaks them up and gently takes them out through your colon. So you're not burdening your kidneys and your liver, which are our filters of our body, but they're so overburdened with our environmental toxins and the toxins in food today that we normally didn't have, or we didn't have back in the day with our ancestors. So now we do need a little more help with the detoxification of our bodies. So the supplement includes 6 ingredients. They're all organic. The first one is micronized zeolite. Zeolite is a volcanic mineral with a hollow cage-like structure, and it has a negative charge. Zeolite in general pulls thousands of different toxins from the body, including ammonia, and most poisons, including heavy metals and even prescription drugs, have a positive charge. So the zeolite acts like a sponge or a magnet and helps pull those toxins in and bind them up for safe removal from the body. And the micronization makes the molecules exponentially smaller than other zeolites to be able to grab onto them and take them out even more effectively. This is also going to soak up the toxins you're releasing from the accelerated silver, from the ketogenic diet, from the other supplements in all of the bundles that are detoxifying you. This is going to soak up those poisons and take them out really quickly and easily. The second ingredient is the human-grade diatomaceous earth. This is known to detoxify the body and kill off the fungus and the parasites. The third ingredient is organic psyllium. Psyllium actually expands and acts like a sponge and cleans out the whole digestive tract and creates regularity. There's not too much of this in there because if you have too much, it can actually backfire, which a lot of supplements have, and it can cause bloat and constipation. So that's why we just use a little bit of it. The next ingredient is the organic triphala. And this is an Ayurvedic herb that balances the digestive system, regulates the bowel movement, and balances the doshas, which are fire, water, and air. Those are the elements that we know of in Ayurvedic medicine. And next is the organic slippery elm. This helps create mucilage, making the stool softener, in addition to coating ulcers and bringing down inflammation in the gut for people with IBS or colitis. And now there's twice as much slippery elm. And lastly, the activated charcoal. So this helps soak up poisons even more so, helps soak up other toxic chemicals, lowers cholesterol levels, and decreases the intestinal gas, prevents hangovers, reduces acne, and improves skin health. So how do you take it? You want to take it at night, and you can take 1 teaspoon to 3 teaspoons at a time. It doesn't taste good, doesn't taste bad, tastes like dirt. I personally mix it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice and water, and then a little stevia to sweeten it so it tastes like lemonade or apple cider vinegar or apple cider juice. And I put it over ice, stir it with a straw, and I suck it down quickly. If you let it sit too long, it actually becomes like a sponge, so it's harder to swallow. So you want to make sure you drink it right away. If you have any questions, give me an email or send me an email at sarah@acceleratedhealthproducts.com. Happy to answer any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for joining us today. Leave a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and please be sure to check the description below for any additional information. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment or ask a question, as I'd love to answer as many of those as I possibly can. If there's a particular topic you'd like to hear more about, please share that in the comments below as well. Thanks again for joining us, and hope to see you again soon.